Hello, my dear class 5 students. Today we are going to learn your grammar again. I want you all to listen to me from the very beginning because this is a long chapter. I want you to understand it very clearly. In the last chapter, we have learned possessions, and for today, we will learn pronouns. Pronouns is one of the parts of the speech, and you have already learned in class from class 1, let's say, and last year also we already did this chapter. Pronouns kan zirdo na vo ina pronouns kan ti chuan enge pronouns to noun I o kan manani kan ti chin. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of one or more nouns or pronouns. Ama pronouns bok soinan te le noun I o kan man ani tila adik ber ome. Hey, antirnanin mi pahnin lo in beta mo GT nen kanan in betani ta chuanin what are you reading at ita GT kan ingting so I am reading a Greek story about Narcissus. Narcissus is the man who loved Narcissus so much. Narcissus sat by the stream and looked at Narcissus' own reflection in the stream all day. What? He looked at Narcissus' stream in the stream all day. Did Narcissus fall into the stream? Yes, Narcissus loved Narcissus' image so much that Narcissus fell in love with Narcissus. Finally, Narcissus fell into the stream because he wanted to meet Narcissus' image. Oh, God created a flower that grows by streams and named it after him. Look, this is a narcissus flower. Ka narcissus at itatsar mini narcissus to mingani GT kan. Tatun engatinge narcissus at itatsar kan tituan GT doesn't use a pronoun. Pronoun mang lautani. Tihan soita sing ay thakan wam don tani. I'm reading a Greek story about Narcissus. Voi kata soitana Narcissus to. Tatuan ama chantina soito khachuan ama Narcissus aya kan mi pa man na pronoun mi pa ai o kan man na khasoito me se Narcissus is the man who loved himself too much. He sat by the stream and looked at his own reflection tita se anwam ngai tha khalo nuam tani Narcissus loved his image tita se so much that he fell in love with him. Mo katyang kan tita se shiat anwam ta repeating a noun again and again can make reading a text very boring and confusing. Mo ati asoidan ka boring a confusing mem bokani shiat thiam har ta kan khang noun I o kan man chi ho reng kha pronouns kan ti choni ta chuan take the pronouns you would use to replace some of these nouns at your nouns. Hey, himself ti te he ti te mo khang kha Narcissus aya khan man thei ani. So look at a pronoun is a word that is used in place of one or more nouns or pronouns. Noun pakhat aya tam emo pronoun aya o ati kan mangchin noun pronoun so kan tita ta chuanin pronoun ti shanga in chenta personal pronoun te possessive pronoun te demonstrative pronoun te interrogative pronoun te relative pronoun te reflexive pronoun te indefinite pronoun te umtani. That's on look at your book. Tanya plucked a mango and 2 guavas. Thôi lâu soita. Chon Tanya iya kan she is going to add them to the fruit salad. Them kan tika eng aya man mango and guavas. Okay, so on the basis of the function performed by the pronouns, we classify pronouns into those that I've already read. Okay, chung te ho pronoun ti shang ho chukan soifia dona uluk de winin lo ngai thadon nia pakhat na chuan personal pronouns pronouns that stand in place of a person or a thing are called personal pronouns. He, she, it, we, are, you, they. Mo, he to mi pa ai o in kan manga, she to me ti ai o in kan manga, it to thil nong dilem lo ai o in kan manga nga, we to kay ma ni ai o in kan manga, I to kay ma ai o in, you to nang ma ai o in, they to pakhat ai tam mishan ai o in kan manga. He invented the telephone. We can now communicate across the world due to his invention. Mo kang hao ka personal pronouns kan ti chuni. Mo mi shing le thil dang ai o kan man. ho zela ka personal pronouns anita a chuan next a chuan possessive pronouns ma possessive tu kan soi to kha nei tu mo that show possession kan nei tu ni na chung chu possessive pronouns ani antenan their his her hers mine theirs mo that machine is his iti chuan so machine so ata ani tu ta mi pa toy mo ta mo how I wish that idea was mine keima idea ni jok se kavanti em his mine theirs hers mo this bag is hers iti chuan he bag hi me cha tu emo chumi ta chu ni iti na ni chu possessive pronouns nei tu soina mo adot le chon demonstrative pronouns kan tia ko mu tu it is used to point out a specific place person thing enge mo kan soi fia don ta so mo so la ya mi so song te so hey hi so heng te hi kang ho this that these le those kang ho kha demonstrative pronouns chu ni that was a very useful invention these are my flowers kate ang chi kha mo demonstrative pronouns interrogative pronouns kam ti chuan zona siam nan atana personal kan man kha who was Graham Bell what was his most famous invention who le what te kha interrogative pronouns anni vele tani so if you look at the next page let's see personal pronouns are hian person pathuma oma first person second person le third person kan ti chin first person kan ti chuan thusoi tu mo thusoi tu chu tunge ni kan ti chuan keima mo keima ka insoina zela khani first person chu I ka ti te we ka ti te us ka ti te me ka ti te we kha engvenge first person ani keima ka til keima ni ti na ni mo mani insoina first person chiangem first person chu mani insoina second person chu mi kan bulami te kan va soina you kan ti akha nangma kan vati na kha second person ani third person a chuan mi chanchin kan bul hnaya mi po ni lem lo mi dang chanchin kan soi mi pa ni chuan he him feminine me cha ni chuan she her neuter thil nong ni lem lo ani chuan it le its chuan neuter emo khatyang pakhat a yan tam khan they le them kan mang thin ani look at underline the personal pronouns and mention what kind first second or third person each is number 1 we told her to visit a doctor as soon as possible mom we tika first person ani her tika third person I met her at the supermarket I ka first person her to third person he went to the post office he to third person Jaydeep offered to give them a lift to the metro station them tika third person mom you should take the metro if you want to avoid traffic you to second person ani look at work B. Raphael is at the La Tomatina festival. Fill in the blanks in his story with personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. Mangin Raphael to La Tomatina festival la kala. Personal pronouns I, we, them. As ti ang ti khan da khadro atiani. La Tomatina festival he Bunil muna Spain ning kasyata chuanin tomato festival ani tomato mangkhanin an in fight chin ani tomato fight an nei chin ani in voma ti khan tomato tam ta khan chung khoma ta chung khavel mun sha shanga tang hianin kan kal khom chin ani la tomatina festival mang tor hian mo hi I am Rafael. I live in Spain. Today I am off to the La Tomatina festival in Buñol, Neo Valencia. My friends will meet me there. I am quite excited to see them. This is an annual festival. It is celebrated on the last Wednesday of August. My friends are Antonio, Maria, and Alicia. Antonio is wearing old clothes. He does not want to spoil his new clothes. The tomato fight begins. They throw tomatoes at each other. Alicia shouts, "Don't throw one at me." "I will," say Antonio and Maria. "We can throw as many as 10,000 kilos of tomatoes at them. They are all yours, says Antonio. Yes, all these are ours, so Splasher is one. Haha, says Alicia happily, throwing ripe red tomatoes at us. Okay. Number C, read the following notes. Underline the pronouns in the notes. Sorry, I am very sorry. I dropped your glasses, Grandma. They were under the newspapers and I didn't notice them, Mac. I, ka, pronouns ani yo. No, sorry. They, ka, ani boka. Mo. Chuan, thank you for inviting my friend. You. Mo. Chuan, we, ani boka. Mo, you wala omboka. He omboka. We enjoyed ourselves a lot. They think of you act very well who played the role of Mad Hatter. Where did he learn to act so well? Whoa. Number D. Fill in the blanks with correct form of pronouns. Please don't throw stones at dogs because it get hurt. Sorry, this is not correct. Please don't throw stones at dogs. Dogs, pakat ay ng tam. Because they get hurt. This is Octor. She told me to eat my vegetables. They beat us at football because they were school champions. The man said that I had met him before. Kavya told Martin that I could borrow her car. All those are personal pronouns, okay? So reflexive pronouns. We use reflexive pronouns to show that the doer and the receiver of the action is the same person. Reflexive pronouns kan man na chu thil ti tu le thil ti pakai na mo chu subject le object ka angaya ni khan thil ti tu thawa ni khan reflexive pronouns kan mangchin reflexive pronouns a chuan uruk de wingai tha ula mipa ani chuan himself meichhia ani chuan herself mo minung lem lo ani chuan itself chuan keima ni kan ni chuan ourselves selves ani to chin dema po awang chu kha inge ni singular ani to lawa plural pakhat item to wangin self ni to lawin selves ourselves themselves mo katyang khan kan mangchin chuan pronouns that show the subject and the object are the same person or thing are known as reflexive pronouns. Mo, yatans on myself, we yatans on ourselves. You yatans on yourself. Mo plural on yourselves. He, himself, she, herself, it, itself, they, themselves. Katyang khan. So look at E, read the story below and fill in the blanks with the right reflexive pronouns. Snow White blamed herself. Snow White is Meitiani Wangin blamed herself for not listening to the dwarfs. Now she was lost in the forest. The dwarfs looked for Snow White everywhere. They returned home tired and told themselves she must have gone out to entertain herself. She will be back any time now. Yes, said the dwarf with a long beard. Here is some delicious cake Snow White has baked for us. Let us help ourselves. The long-nosed dwarf was very sad. He could not get himself to eat any cake. Oh, don't worry, said the dwarf with the long beard. Help yourself. Cheer up. She should not have hurt herself. So, that is how we will use reflexive pronouns. Now we will learn relative pronouns. Relative pronouns to engeni. Relative pronouns are used to refer back to a noun or pronouns in a sentence. They are also used to join sentences. Sentence pani kanda dun natur atana kan man hi relative pronouns ani noun mo pronoun mo sentence kan soilet na khani mo thil ti tu kan va soilet na khani and tirnan if you look at the sentence that the woman is a doctor full stop she writes stories for the little children that khan sentence pani omtani sentence masazoka khan kam meichia ka doctor ani ti kan soya a sentence nu nong zoka kha chuan it tells us more about the woman mo kam meiche chanting kha kan dang kha kan soi le tani ti hang kan soi theita the woman who writes stories for little children is a doctor mo katya angkhan the woman who ti kha relative pronouns to ni question ani lo ti shator who, whom, whose, which, that, the relative pronouns and the are. Hi Jaya, I'm going to bake a cake. Where is the packet of butter that we bought yesterday? Kata that at the relative pronoun. Ani, here it is. Are you using the recipe that we learned from your cousin? Ka. Yes, Sureka learned it from my aunt who lives in Dehradun. My aunt bakes very well. Let's call Nupur and Karen to share the cake. It will be fun. Who is Nupur? Is she the girl whose books were on your table? Yes, she is another friend who loves reading. Ka that, who, whose, which, mo, who, whom, whose, which, that, the how. Akara kan man how ka relative pronouns ani. And tunan who, whose, tite which tite hi question na chau kan mang lo shator. Kate nga kara kan lo man how chia ka relative pronoun ani. Rewrite using correct possessive pronouns. That book belongs to her, it is hers. This is Raka's hairband, it is hers. Ano ito no ka, Raka ni Bangin. Mr. Morris owns that car, it is his. That is my cow, it is mine. That football belongs to them, it is theirs. Okay, take the correct sentence. I shall visit my grandmother. Me shall visit my grandmother. I shall visit my grandmother is the right one. All those, the one I took is the right one. It is her painting. They cook dinner themselves. That jacket belongs to me. Mo kang hau kadik zogvik ane. Indefinite pronoun. Kan soyle anga indefinite pronoun kan ti chuan I tu em mo chung chung chang kan soi don khanin ing anga tam nge ni a ing ang nge ani ti chiang lo mo kan soi don khan indefinite pronoun kan mang chin mo enge mo te kan han te rongota entirnan ka chanu khale khabu pe katum tani ta chuanin a share kha kala du lawa kala ti chiang du lawa I will give you a book for your birthday present kati ai chuan okay, I will give you something kalatita kasoi chiang du talawa ni te ro a chiang lo ta ni ka kha indefinite ani indefinite kan ti chuan chiang lo fi alo ti na chin nei lo mo kha chung chu indefinite pronouns ani everyone mo tu te po han ti te tunge bernge kan soi lo anything eng po kan an tiang chi te mo singular pronoun a chanin another, anybody, anyone, each, either, everybody, everyone. More, anything, everything, neither, either, nothing, something. Katiang hao zong zong ka singular ani a verb azo chi a verb kan man bon pon singular verb is emo has emo kan mang chain. So an all the both, few, many, others, several, some, none, most. Ka ang zong zong a khan objects ani mo thil mishing ani mo thil dang ani mo pakhat ai nan tam pakhat ai tam soina ni wangin a verb kal puya po khan are le have kan mang chin ani chuan everybody are kan tingai lo mo everybody is saying that Jaya will win the badminton match. Nobody kapoka singular pronoun ani wangin nobody has any doubt about that. Nothing tepo. Nothing is wrong with the way she serves. Somebody is helping her stay in good form. Mo many anito khatsuan plural niya many has ate adiktolo many have tried to beat her but she is the best. Kantingay tani. Read the following by choosing the right option. We went to book our tickets for a boat ride when we were in Sri Lanka. We were very late, so nobody was there. We called out jokingly, "Hello, is anyone there?" Of course, no one replied. Somebody told us that the boat rides begin again in the morning at 5 a.m. Anybody who wants to see elephants bathing must wake up early to catch the boat in time. Fill in the blanks with correct pronoun. The red bag on the table is Annie's. She was given to her by her aunt. Arjun, Junaid, and Sabrina went to the circus last week. They enjoyed it thoroughly. Jasmine did not ask for help and fixed the radio herself. Where is the new book that Suzanne gave me last week? All the lights in the classroom must be switched off before you leave. Athena called the Sharma residence last night, but no one answered the phone. It was Maya's birthday last week. Mary gifted her a beautiful pen. Pratik said he will meet us there. Arijit and Aritro gifted me a card they had made themselves. Varun exchanged slippers with Tina, but his slippers were much bigger than hers. I want you all to do all the work that I have given you to do, okay? And we are going to have a test again. I want you to learn very carefully.